Hey, what's up everyone? This is Prototype Plays, and today we're doing a quick review of this old flip phone. Sorry, let it focus. The LG VX8300. Overall, it's a pretty nostalgic phone to me. This was the first phone I've ever had. 1.3 megapixel camera, flash, which was an option, and it has a 3G antenna because apparently this was after the Nokia 3310. Yay! But this phone is pretty compact, and it has a removable back, which I can't remove with one hand. Oh, never mind. Which has a removable 1100 milliamp hour battery in it. And if you don't already know, this is an LG VX8300, and yes, this is the phone that's used to record flip phone days, in case anyone asked. So this thing used to have an app store, and it has a web browser. Although a very simple one, it still works. And over here, you got your camera, where you can record video on this, although it's in 176 by 144, so it's pretty bad video. So I recorded a few seconds of a how-to basic video, actually a whole one, but I only gonna show you a few seconds because I don't want to get a copyright strike, stupid YouTube. And I have multiple other photos, like this crappy bag of Ruffles. Sorry if you take that offensive, but it was really a bad design. So it has a calendar where you can make reminders, and unfortunately it seems like a lot of the reminders on here are a bunch of dead people. Rip them. And it has a calculator, and you can use these number keys to perform basic functions. And then you have Bluetooth. So this thing can take pictures too, and although you won't really be able to see the clarity of it on this phone, if you have a device that uses microSD, you can actually view the photos in some weird form of HD, 1280 by 1920. Hold on, let me take a look. 1280 by 1960. So yes, it does take HD photos, but not 4K. And I've had pretty great moments with this. And this thing, if you use the audio properly, it can have decent audio, although the audio and video bitrate combined are 96 kilobits a second. So let's play a bit of rock and roll. That was me in the backyard. Yeah, overall I'm sure it was a pretty great phone for its time, and the calling is actually pretty decent. And you know what it has that iPhones don't have? Headphone jack. Although it's a 2.5mm headphone jack, so you can't plug in your absurdly expensive Beats there's a Bluetooth option, and I'm not sure if it works with modern headphones, but hey, it's Bluetooth on a flip phone that's older than me. I think this one is from 2003. I don't know for sure, but I asked my stepmom, and and she said it was about 2 years older than me. Not in those words, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. If not, leave it in the comments why. No hate for no reason. Constructive criticism only, since I'm probably the first of these channels to be accepting constructive criticism. And I'll see all you fans later in the next video, which I really want to be discussing about Plotagon, but it won't be but I won't be active for at least a week. So, bye.